Welcome. We are group 34, and we would like to tell you about our idea of CleanCity. Our vision is to create a cleaner city environment at a reduced cost. And the mission that we wish to achieve that through is that our product service encourages people to be more environmentally responsible towards their local society. Our research showed that littering is an increasing problem in 90% of Danish municipalities. And 80% of all littering takes place in city centers. And what's interesting is that 1 in every 3 trash items comes from McDonald's. So what's the cost of littering? Well, if we look at trash that's been disposed of improperly, so littering, it can be calculated that 1 item costs around 3.4 Danish crowns to dispose of, while items that have been disposed of properly in garbage cans, for example, only cost 0.2 Danish crowns per item. So this contributes to 94% cost reduction of properly handled waste. So if we look at a large scale, the city of Aalborg alone uses currently 8 million Danish crowns on littering. So if that mishandled trash was disposed of properly, the city of Aalborg would save 7.5 million Danish crowns by that alone. And the numbers keep increasing when we look at larger scales of the problem, from Denmark to United Kingdom and the United States. So here we have the visualization of our concept. We wish to put radio frequency ID tags on the items that will later become trash. In this case, for example, the packaging from McDonald's, like paper cups and such. Those items would then, we will require our users to find those items, or when they've finished using them, they will then put them in machines, not unlike the ones that are currently used as bottle return systems in Denmark. So when the users of the system put their trash into the machine, they get a gift voucher, for example, for McDonald's products, as we'll talk about a little bit later, that they can then get a reward for disposing their trash properly. And this system would be set up at a number of locations around cities in close proximity to major transport places or close to McDonald's restaurants.
To make sure that everybody would be engaged in using the system, we have made 2 different kind of user scenarios. The first is for pretty much everyday people, regular people that perhaps visit McDonald's once a month. They would typically dispose 1 to 20 items per time they use the system. And they would be given a gift voucher that would make them return to McDonald's at a later point. People that return more than 20 items would typically be persons that would actually pick up garbage that other people have left. They would not be interested in getting 100 gift vouchers. So we made a system where they are given a money voucher, like you know from the Danish return system. Yeah, because this system is quite huge. If you want to implement it in, for example, McDonald's, we made a perspective of how you could implement it. And we would like to start out with a pilot project that we could implement in the trash system of festivals and concerts, where we would like to make a kind of treasure hunting system where you should try to collect as much trash as you can. And when you give it into the system, perhaps you have won some prize or something like that. Something that keeps you motivated. And a system like that would typically cost about 50,000 Danish crowns to produce. Yeah, the gain and profit for the partners.
Half a minute.
Yeah, McDonald's, or where we choose, will will have the returning customers because of the gift vouchers. They will have some positive branding in the form of CSR. The government would have clean streets and a reduction in cleanup costs. Yeah, our unique selling propositions, it improves people's behavior and makes them throw out their own trash. It adds value to the client, McDonald's in this case, and it works in small and large scale.